Good morning, Heaven, Swati, Suvarna. Yeah. Why the attendance is so means less number of students are there?
Sir, students are saying that this was not visible to them. It wasn't an FCHM course. No, it was in FCHM.
Means in the dashboard.
Yeah, in dashboard.
Okay,
They have
that might be
just
the
they have
reason
just seen it
because
and joining.
yes, that might be the reason because of
Yeah.
which students. But how the Swati and Hemant got to know that this is the lecture?
They saw the dashboard now, I guess, because it should be visible, and now the students are joining in. I'm
Okay,
not
okay.
sure.
Let's wait for 5-10 minutes.
Yeah, I'll make you the host, sir. Till then.
Okay, okay. Actually, there should be some kind of pop-up kind of thing should be there so that
Yes,
they will,
IT team is working on
yeah.
that. That students will get an
So
intimation
they will
10
at
minutes
least
before.
get some email or message before 1 hour or 2 hour, no, so that they
Yes,
can
yes,
plan.
yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yes, Hemant. So actually, generally, I talked to Arunima ma'am, and actually from next week onwards, we are scheduling this lecture in the evening. Hmm? Because you all know that many candidates are working professionals, so that at late night around 9:30 or 10, all are at home, so that they can attend the lecture. So this is like working time. No? Suppose I think this is a fourth Saturday,
This
fourth
is
or
fourth
third.
Saturday.
Yeah, I think fourth Saturday is holiday. No? So at least bankers can attend. Priyanshi. I think at least we can form one Telegram group. Now, one way we'll also do so that
Yes,
now
sir.
we
Yes,
can,
we'll
yeah,
work on that.
so
Yes.
that now we can inform other things also. Because
Mm-hmm.
our I talked to our IT team now, so our message
Mm-hmm.
is going only on one instance
Mail.
in a day. That,
Yes.
for example, such as things are updated in the platform.
Mm-hmm.
But students are saying that they should get immediate information. For example, suppose we have uploaded one test or video or anything, so we can form one Telegram group where only one way communication is allowed, so that now we can post lot of things there.
Yes, sir. We'll work on that.
Mhm. So Hemant, have you watched the videos of general awareness as well as ESI I uploaded on late night yesterday. Okay, Hemant, you are preparing for FCI AGM. Yes, yes.
Good morning, sir. Hemant here.
Yes, yes, good morning.
Sir, I asked you a few days ago on your Facebook platform that which course I should join for FCIGM.
Okay, okay,
So
okay, okay.
I'm
So,
here
so
to
on,
join.
what is the pattern of FCI AGM examination?
There are four sections,
Okay,
45 marks each. One is for reasoning and quantitative aptitude. One
okay,
is management and ethics. One is for agriculture economy,
okay,
and one is for current affairs.
okay. So quant and reasoning and current affairs, you can see it is in all examinations.
Yes, that's
So
common in all
management and
exams.
ethics, yeah, management and ethics is like overlapping with the RBI FM paper, because this year itself they have added ethics portion.
Yes,
And
sir.
is agriculture economics, na?
Yes, agriculture and agriculture economics
Agriculture
both.
and agriculture economics. Okay.
Yes.
So eligibility will be, I think, only for agri students, na? Or there are multiple posts
Yes,
in
multiple posts
FCIGM?
are there for general administration. All master degree holders are eligible. Any postgraduate.
Okay, all master's degree holders are
Yes.
eligible. Okay. Yeah, this is actually very good post, because you know that AGM post is actually at a very high level post. But
Yes,
now
sir.
it's a good opportunity for freshers and PG holders who can join at such a high level. Hmm?
Yes, sir. It's
So
each level
some of
post.
my students now have joined FCI as a grade 3. So they are saying that it will take around 15 to 18 years to reach the AGM level, and those who are joined as a management trainee.
Yes.
So for them also around 8 to 10 years are required to reach the AGM post. So if you are able to get in, then this is very good opportunity, because AGM means assistant general manager is like, we can consider it as a higher level post, not a middle management. It is higher.
Yes, sir.
So just prepare like how much you can from your side, give your best.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
So final date is over, application date, or it's still going on?
Yes, final date for application was 31st March.
31st March. Okay, way back. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you share us something about promotional aspects in FCI, as you just said that some of your students are in
Yes.
FCI?
Just I have told you that FCI grade 3. You know that they generally recruit grade 3. So from grade 3 to manager, it might take 8 to 9 years, and from manager to AGM, it will take another 8 to 10 years. So manager will also take 8 years. So this is like you are joining at a very high level.
Yes, sir.
I
No,
think
I
there are a
mean,
lot of,
sir,
yes.
apart from, I mean, starting from AGM to higher posts like deputy general manager
No,
and general
because
manager.
that is very difficult now. So suppose if I see my previous students, so they might have joined at grade 3 or manager level, but AGM
Okay.
now, suppose if you join, then I can ask to you next time like what are the promotional prospects. But I will try to get some information. Na? So what is the hierarchy like AGM? Then might be DGM, GM. Hmm?
Sure, sir.
Yes,
Sure. Thank you, sir.
yeah.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yeah. Good morning, Deep.
Sir, I just wanted to ask you that in the previous session, you told us that you'll be making a video on the career progression and the enrollments and everything on RBI Grade B.
Yes. That video. Actually, I have uploaded one way back. I have uploaded one video in my YouTube channel, that is Target RBI.
Okay, sir.
It generally covered the RBI or all the things related to RBI. But what you are saying and telling, and what I mentioned in my last lecture, I will prepare definitely on that. So you
Right.
need like exactly what information in that, so that I will take care while preparing the PPTs.
So just the working profile, I guess it is very important.
Yeah, work
To know
profile,
what
because
is
if you
required.
see RBI is like a very huge organization. So its offices are in every state. Some states has 2 3 offices. Like suppose if you see Maharashtra, so in Maharashtra there are 4 offices: in Mumbai, one Belapur, in Pune, and Nagpur. So and the another way of working is from the central office. So central office means it's like a main policy making divisions in Mumbai. So I worked at Ahmedabad regional office and in regulation department. Na? It's
Right, sir.
urban bank regulation department.
Okay, sir.
So I can tell the general nature of work and my experience in RBI and some internal promotional policies. What are the benefits like salary and some transfer policy. So I will prepare one video on that within 1 week,
Right, sir.
and I generally most probably I will upload that video on our YouTube channel, that is iExam YouTube channel, so that other students will also get to know about
Right,
it.
sir. Thank you. Sir, I just wanted to
Yes.
ask you one thing that
Yeah.
whether the postings are given on the basis of ranking or something like that. Is it true?
No, they actually there is no such rule, because every time they adopt some new policies. But at our time, at my time, actually, there are like program coordinators or program directors. We call it as a PD.
Right, sir.
So from my batch, now one PD's batchmate was in HRMD department. Hmm?
Right, sir.
So they coordinated for us, and generally they ask for our preferences, and in our batch actually most of us got the desired posting. But
Right.
if you see, yeah, but if you see, like there are demand for a lot of places, like for example if you see Delhi, because lot of students are preparing for civil services, some preparing for state services, and like some of the candidate spouses working in Delhi area in other departments. So that's why Delhi is in much demand from the northern area. And if you see in southern point like Chennai, then Bangalore, Hyderabad, so these are like very demanding places. Otherwise, for example, if you see Nagpur, then Bhopal, and then Jaipur, so if you want to work in these other areas, then it's not that much difficult. So like you want to work at which place, like your preference?
Sir, I'm Bengali, so
Okay,
I'll
so
be
in
preferring
Kolkata
Kolkata.
also, so suppose if you see number wise, then the first is strength wise, Mumbai is at top position. Then
Right,
second, I think it's Kolkata, then Delhi.
right, sir.
So those people who are living in the eastern part, they prefer Kolkata. So I think, but there is a not that much demand for the Kolkata. Hmm?
Right, sir.
Because
Sir,
if you
actually,
see, yeah.
I'm basically from Bhilai, Chhattisgarh.
Okay, so
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 the
in Raipur there is office. Raipur office is like, and then there is Bhopal, then Nagpur. So
yes,
all
sir, I
these
know that.
offices are nearby. So overnight journey you can travel, because in RBI, every Saturday Sunday there is holiday.
I know that, sir. Right,
Yeah,
sir.
and generally in a week or in a month, there are 2-3 holidays which appear on Tuesday or sometimes on Friday, Wednesday, Thursday. So people
Okay.
generally arrange the leaves, and they can go to home every every month. So
Sir,
in
actually,
RBI, RBI, if you see the
yeah.
work of RBI, then it is
Yes,
not
sir.
a urgency kind of thing.
Right,
So
sir.
for example, if someone is working in a bank, like for example Nationalist Bank, and you know that there is already shortages of officers are there.
Right, sir.
So generally it's very difficult for management to give a leave.
Okay,
Huh?
sir.
But
Okay,
in
sir.
RBI nothing is there. RBI, like, no emergency is there. So
Right, sir.
it's like you can just tell that I am on leave. So that will be suffice.
Right, sir.
So in rare case you won't get a leave in RBI. So that's why RBI is a preferred institution. I know one my batchmate, she was CA, and she got a 1 crore offer from one private firm.
Okay, sir.
1 crore offer, but she refused, because she know that in RBI the CTC package is around 20-22 lakhs, and like job safety is there, lot of
Yes, sir.
holidays are there, you can pursue your hobbies.
Right, sir.
That's why generally in very rare case people leave RBI. Yes.
Sir, it is kind of a dream job, sir.
Yes, because I know a lot of candidates are preparing for civil services. In my case also, I was preparing for civil service, and I appeared 2 times in the UPSC mains examination in 9 and 10.
Okay, sir.
And then I thought I will join RBI just for a safer side, and after that I will give another UPSC mains. But RBI job was so much relaxing that a lot of people will leave their UPSC job after joining it, because you know that you will stay at metro positions, metro locations,
Yes,
And
sir. Yes,
nowadays,
sir.
like husband and wife both are working. So
Mhm.
suppose if you get a posting in Mumbai or Delhi, Calcutta, so all private offices are at these places. So
Right,
there
sir. Right,
won't
sir.
be a much issue.
Would
But
be
if
a
you
issue. Right.
see UPSC posts now, for example, IAS, IPS, or some kind of IRS also now, they
Mhm.
are at some tier two cities and sometimes at rural level also.
Right, sir. Right,
So
sir.
that's why
Exactly.
it's difficult for the husband and wife to manage the life there.
Of course, sir.
Yeah. So that's why this job is like, if you see, apart from the IAS, IPS, and IRS and IFS foreign service, this is like fourth preferred job in India at present.
Right, sir. I've seen
And,
that.
yeah, and
I've seen
salary
that.
wise, suppose if you consider in UPSC, suppose if you are not taking consideration of black money or bribe kind of thing, then salary wise RBI is the highest paying salary. Na? So
Right,
even
sir.
IAS or IPS are also not getting this kind of salary.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir. It's just the power associated with the post,
Yeah, yeah.
I
Power
guess, in
means
house.
you won't get media attention in RBI. But
Right.
suppose if you are like, if you want to just confine to yourself or your family, and you want to live a decent life, then this is like best job.
Sir, I just wanted to ask you that suppose right now I'm 23,
Yes.
and if I join right now in the next attempt, this year I'll start 24. So
Yes.
there, what are the, sir, possibilities of me going to the post or deputy governor or sometime, some other
No,
time?
sometimes now I have seen deputy governor, like you know that there are only two positions are there,
Yes, sir.
for
Yes, sir.
deputy governors.
Right,
For
sir.
ED executive directors, there are near about 11 or 12 executive directors.
Right, sir.
And F grade post, you can see that CGM, chief general manager, or it is also called as a regional directors. So those are around 200. So
Okay,
so
sir.
every grade B officer will reach up to CGM level unless and until he does something like a very bad thing. Hmm? So otherwise everyone will reach at a grade F level. But
Mhm.
after that, now after that, your performance, then other things also matter, your contacts also matter. Your contacts with the senior,
Senior management.
sometimes politicians or senior officers of finance ministry, that is also taken into consideration. So that's why, like, the deputy governor is like very rare kind of thing. We can say if you are lucky, like every time you are getting promotion in the first instance, like suppose from first promotion is like time based. You can see after 7 years or 8 years you will become AGM. But
Right, sir.
after that, for DGM there is a exam, then interviews are there. So lot of things are involved. And sometimes now there are a lot of things which are not in our hand. Hmm?
Of course, sir. Of
So
course.
because of some mistake, you might get punished. So that's why. So but if you can, if you join at the age of 25, then
Mhm.
I think executive director is a like very good post. ED. Hmm?
Right, sir.
ED is also very much powerful post. There are a lot of committees which are headed by the executive directors of the RBI.
Right, sir.
So now our main the agenda of this lecture is that we have to discuss your queries related to the two videos uploaded by me. One was general awareness, which I uploaded yesterday, day before yesterday, and yesterday I uploaded ESI lecture number 1. So I think very less time was available to you to go through it and have your doubts. So and from next time, now from next time, I have discussed that with Arunima ma'am. So we will schedule this lecture in the night, in the evening or late night. For example, 9:30 or 10 p.m. Hmm? So that now all candidates will get time and they can attend. So now there are near about 20-25 candidates are there, and you can ask me the questions related to the two lectures I have uploaded. And also I would like to get some feedback from your side, like which thing should I cover, because that pattern I have followed on my platform, and I got very good feedback for that. Because you know that suppose if this is a this is kind of our lecture, live lecture, so we are recording this lecture, and if suppose someone watch this lecture na, then he won't find that much productive because we are discussing a lot of things. So if suppose if lecture is recorded format na, then there is a clear means all quality content will be there, and based on that you can ask me the queries in other live lecture. So tell me how many of you have watched my first lecture, one lecture, or both the lectures, and just discuss. We will discuss about it.
Sir, I did watch your all the
Yeah, yeah,
lectures,
yes,
sir.
yes, yes. What
Good
is
morning, sir. Hello.
yeah, yeah, yes, Babli.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good
Sir,
morning.
it's my first class of banking and finance.
So what is your background?
BSc Chemistry honors.
BSc Chemistry. Okay, okay. From which college?
Birkwar Singh University, Ara.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes, yes. So what is your question?
So, sir, this is my first class of banking and finance. So I'm very confused that I can understand or not.
No, no, देखो, just see. This is your
Sir,
first
how can
lecture.
I get basic knowledge?
No, this is your first lecture. So I think you should give at least
Yes, sir.
2 to 3 months to yourself. Hmm? You should give at least 2 to 3 months to yourself
Yes,
to
sir.
judge whether you can understand or not. So it is like just I'm now this is my first day and I'm trying to learn how to drive the car. And on the first day, I'm asking whether I'm able to do. So it will take around 15 to 20 days to learn the basic of a car driving. So similar thing is with this. This is a process. Actually, it is not a event kind of thing. Event means like you have watched the video and you will understand everything. So this is kind of process. So it will take at least another 2 to 3 months for you to start understanding all the things because all the things are related. So what we have to do, we have lot of
Yes, sir.
videos on our dashboard, like basic things. You have to go to it. Then you have to watch my live lectures, my recorded lectures. You have to read the notes. And after 2 to 3 months, you can discuss with us. Like what was your experience, whether you are able to understand or not. So this is like very like on day
Okay,
one,
sir.
you are like questioning yourself like whether you can understand or not. So don't do this. At least give 2 to 3 months to yourself. Try to give your best, and after 3 months we can discuss this thing. So have you got my point?
Sir,
So it
it
will
is
take a time.
second or
uh,
third class of banking.
this is like
Sir,
my
it is
first.
second class of banking finance.
Actually, no, this is my third in our
Sure.
schedule.
Okay.
2 lectures were in the recorded format. One lecture was GA, second was ESF first,
Okay,
and
sir.
this lecture is supposed to be a doubt clearing session of those 2 lectures. Hmm? Yeah. So just give your
Okay, okay, sir.
give you sufficient time so
Thank you.
that now you will understand in slowly. Under which
Yes,
section?
actually, my background is also science, so
No, my background
I'm
was also
little
from the
scared
science,
about it.
and just understand that science background means little bit you have given your best or lot of efforts you have done to understand the scientific terms, and these mostly all these subjects are humanity subjects. So humanity subjects on difficulty level are much easier than the science subjects. But you are just new to anything, na? When we are new to anything, then it will take some time
Yes,
to
sir.
understand. So now we will get at least 8 to 10 months for our examination. So just be patient, try to read, try to listen all the videos, and then after 2 to 3 months, then we can have a session with you so that now you will understand, or we can know, or you also know where in which area you are finding difficulties.
Sir, which newspaper is good for RBI?
What I didn't hear.
Newspaper. Which newspaper
Newspaper.
I
So,
should
so,
read?
so if you see now, actually, generally in the morning, I read means I just go through all the newspapers, like near about 8 to 10 newspapers. So if you see on general side, in general newspaper, there are 4 to 5. So first is Hindu, then Indian Express, then Hindustan Times, then uh, Times of India. So these are 4 major newspapers. And on business side, there is Economic Times is there, Financial Express is there, Business Line is there, Mint is there. So these are 4 business newspapers. So select any two. So select any two newspaper. So from my side, I can suggest you Hindu plus business standard. This is a good combination. Hindu plus business standard. Yeah, and that also now it will take at least 2 to 3 months for you to understand. It won't happen that on the day one you will understand. Suppose now I am
Yes, sir.
reading all the business newspapers since last 15-20 years. So sometimes I also feel difficulty in understanding because now no one has the 100% knowledge of all the things. So your understanding level will increase. So suppose I can say my understanding level at present is 80%. Your might be 10 or 20%. So if you continue this process, then it will increase day by day or week by week. So it will take time. So all these things, suppose if you have started studying, then you have to give a sufficient time for you to understand all these things.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Mahadev has asked how important banking finance for FCI AGM. So in FCI AGM, there is, I think, one current affairs section. There might some 5-4 questions might be there. Okay, I'm
Sir,
yes.
sorry, please carry
Yes,
on,
yes.
sir.
Yeah, you can ask him.
Sir, just one update about FCI AGM. I would like to ask that you sent in your Facebook group few days ago, or rather few weeks ago, that the exam is expected on 16th May.
Yes.
Any update after that?
No, because you know that now, like if you see the present situation of our country, then it is going worse day by day. So in COVID situation, we cannot expect any exam happening in recent time. But that will be a good thing for you because now you are getting a lot of time for study. So I think at least in May and June, no exam will happen. So as per my understanding, because you already know that COVID is spreading like anything. So that's why government won't take any risk. So
Okay, sir. Thank you.
will get rescheduled in June or July, and then that is like good opportunity for you to prepare in more exhaustive way.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
ESI lecture now. Actually, I have sent. I will just ask to my team. Yes, you can continue your queries related. So I will just ask my team that where student can see the lecture. So just for curiosity, what is the COVID situation at your place? Like how many of you had COVID before, or like going through, like you are positive, how many of you are positive? Because I had in the November. So November I had COVID, and at that time like it was just like home quarantine. So I took medicine, and within 14 days I was like normal. And this new strain is like very difficult. It is very serious, and it is not giving time. So I have seen lot of people from my like colleagues or some relatives just age of 30-35, they is like expired in just 2 to 3 days. So it's like very serious.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yes.
Sorry to disturb you again. Sir, I just wanted to ask you, sir, I'm not able to find the second lecture of your ESI.
Okay,
So
just I'm asking.
Right, sir. I found your first lecture. I saw that. I made notes about it.
Yes, so I think you can search in ESI.
No, I did, sir. I did. Actually, the earlier, all the before sessions are earlier sessions are already uploaded by CP Joshi, sir.
Okay.
But the recent one that you took the last day, that wasn't uploaded. That hasn't been uploaded yet, I guess.
I also require, because I am also new on this platform now. So for me, it will take some time to understand everything. Like
right, sir. Sir, actually, I just wanted to ask you that which topic you took yesterday? Which topic?
In ESI, na?
Yes, sir.
So actually, I am going by syllabus. So in my every ESI lecture, my first slide is related to syllabus. in syllabus, if you see, there are ESI syllabus, there are 4 things. First is like growth and development.
Right.
Then Indian economy is there. Then third is globalization, and fourth is social structure. So
Yes.
in the first topic, I have covered the growth and national income accounting. So
Okay.
that topic I have covered in my last video. The length is around 1 hour,
Right.
and I have covered the basic plus current affairs related to it.
Right.
So for ESI, so you have to go through the concept or basic videos which are available on our platform. Then you have to watch my video. Then go through the Bpedia, see our notes also and MCQs. So if you cover all these things, then I'm very much confident that you will clear near about 95+% of our portion.
Sir, what about government schemes?
What?
Sir, what about government schemes? Because
Government
they
scheme,
covered
if
a hell lot
yes,
of question in
if you see
before.
government schemes, it will be at all other or at every places. Suppose if you see, like for example, our Bpedia, then it will also contain some government schemes. Then in my ESI lecture or in my GA lectures, but we will try to cover the government schemes in a separate document, like separate notes we will provide for government scheme, separate test we will try to provide for the government schemes. And generally, if you see the syllabus of ESI, then in every lecture related government schemes I am going to cover.
Right.
So for example, suppose one social structure topic is there. So in that social structure, what I am going to cover? So I will cover the government schemes related to various social strata, like related to women's government schemes are there. Then some schemes are for related to scheduled tribe, scheduled caste, and for OBCs, for minorities, for physical handicaps. So at appropriate place, there will be government schemes. Hmm? And apart from that, in our MCQs or in our Bpedia, in my current affairs lecture, if there is a news related to any scheme, then we will also cover. But I know that for exam point of view, students need all these things at one place, so
Yes.
that we will try to give in another format also. But it will be covered in respective ESI as well as finance lecture. For example, if suppose I am covering the RBI, then you know that RBI launched the 3 schemes related to gold monetization, demonetization. So these schemes we will cover in a separate document as well as the lecture related to the RBI.
Right, sir. Sir, I actually
Yeah.
plan on making notes directly from your videos so that it will
Yeah,
be
yeah.
much more easier to revise. And all
So
this.
for example, I have uploaded 2 videos. Like I will suggest for one lecture, there should not be more than 2 pages.
Of course.
Suppose if my lecture is of 1 hour, then you have to make only 4 pages, means like 2 back-to-back A4 size pages.
Right, sir. Right,
Because at the time of examination, like after 10 months, you should not have more than 100 or 200 pages notes.
Right,
So
sir.
otherwise, if note size becomes 1000 pages, then
It's impossible.
there is
It won't
no
be
use
possible.
of notes making.
Right, sir. Right, sir. I actually did. I saw your lecture. I watched it yesterday, and I made the notes, everything of GA lecture. But this ESI lecture, I wasn't able to find. So
Okay,
that-
okay, no, don't worry. We will. I think our team is working on that, and you will get an email regarding it. So where you can locate, because yesterday there was some urgent work was there, so I prepared that video very late night. So around I think 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. I have uploaded that video.
Right, sir. Right, sir. Thank you.
Okay, okay. So you will get it today anyhow.
Actually, I asked you the topic because I was right now I was studying about your lecture about business cycle and policy interventions.
Okay, okay, okay.
So
Yes.
all this depression and recession boom and subprime crisis. I was just writing the notes for subprime crisis 2000.
Okay, okay. No,
I
all,
thought-
all lectures like ESI and finance lecture, I will do as per the syllabus itself, because you
Okay,
should know that how much portion of the syllabus you have finished.
Right, sir. Right, sir. So
Hmm.
actually, because growth and development are very basic things, so I
Yeah.
mainly covered it from NCRT and Ramesh Singh. I made notes from all
Yeah,
those.
yeah. So in my lecture also,
Beforehand.
I have mentioned about the Indian Economic Development book, that is NCRT book for 11th standard. So I have mentioned in my video that if you have sufficient time, then go through that book. Otherwise, I have prepared 100 MCQs. I have prepared 100
I saw that.
MCQs
I
on
have,
that
sir.
book, and I have uploaded on my YouTube channel Target RBI. there it is available in the PDF format. No? So
Right,
you
sir.
can go through those 100 MCQs.
I went through all those MCQs, sir, already.
Yeah,
I
okay.
solved them already, sir. They were really nice. They covered everything in a gist format. They covered everything.
Okay. So SEBI grade, na? So Sirisha has asked question that is this lecture is SEBI grade A. So this is specifically for RBI grade B. And you know that in SEBI also na, in some section this syllabus is overlapping. So in the phase 1 also you will get benefit of this lecture, as well as in phase 2. You know that in phase 2 I think one economic section is there. So there also it is useful. But specifically if you want to know, then this lecture is actually I'm giving the reply to students queries. So I have uploaded one video, that is GA video, and in which I have covered economic issues, banking awareness, and financial awareness. So that lecture is applicable to all examination. But my second lecture, which was ESI, it is more relevant for RBI and NABARD, but it's also useful for other examination. No,
Sir, I would like to ask something for ethics section.
yes, ethics
As
for
you
which
said,
examination?
FCI AGM, and it was
Okay,
introduced in RBI
ethics
just.
is also ethics is also for there in our management syllabus. No? Recently they have added, and I think syllabus is similar. So Hemant, yes, just go ahead.
Okay, just I would like to ask question about the kind of question. Like there might be some situation or question which are legally right, ethically wrong, or that kind of questions.
Yes.
How we should approach to answer in MCQ kind of question, not descriptive.
So in MCQ, na, suppose if you see like ethics, na, so I am very much sure that without studying also anyone can solve at least 50 to 60% question, because ethics is like generally we are living in a society, so we generally behave in ethical way. So you won't find any difficulty, and I have shared my MCQs which I have prepared for the RBI academic examination. So I think our team will soon upload those MCQs on our platform. And even if
Okay,
you
sir.
cover those MCQs, it will be more than sufficient for you. So don't take extra unnecessary tension of the ethics. Just subject is new to you, but whatever content is there, we are actually observing our life. So don't worry about
Okay,
that.
sir.
So I have given near about 200 MCQs. So I will inquire to ma'am that whether those questions they have uploaded or not.
Okay,
Hello,
fine,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Mayank here, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I joined class by 10:45. So has the class ended and we are in the question answer
No,
session,
actually,
or?
na, this is like doubt clearing session. So that's why I am in favor of both type of lectures, like recorded. So if you see now, if someone watch this lecture afterwards in recorded format, na, he will lose his interest, because we are discussing lot of things here, and sometimes that are not in your interest. So this lecture is for the doubt clearing related to my two previously uploaded videos. So first video, I think many of you have seen, which was related to general awareness. The second lecture is I have uploaded on ESI, but I will see whether it has uploaded or not. But otherwise, during the day, it will get uploaded. So this
Okay,
is
so
not
if-
a like kind of lecture. This is just an interaction and doubt clearing related to lectures. But lot of students have not watched those videos, so that's why I am trying to answer your queries.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, Mike, you are from which place?
Sir, I live near Indore.
Indore.
Yeah, to be specific, near Omkareshwar Jyotirling.
Because your surname is very much related to Maharashtra.
Yeah. A lot of people get confused that perhaps my ancestors lived in Maharashtra. And a lot of
because my you might be knowing the Acharya Atre, na? Acharya Atre is like
yeah.
very famous
Yes.
author. So
I have been told by many people about Acharya Atre.
Okay. Yeah, because I know in Indore, in nearby Indore, it was ruled by the Holkar family.
Holkars.
So
Yes,
Maharashtrians are there
definitely.
in Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal.
Right. Yeah,
Yes.
even the vernacular here is mixed of Marathi and Gujarati.
Marathi and Gujarati, yes, yes. Because earlier those are like nearby places. Yes. Mhm.
Sir, I just wanted to ask about the
Yes.
psychometric test after the interview. Or before the
Deep,
interview.
your voice is little bit low, na?
Hello,
Please try.
hello, sir.
Yeah. Now
Sir-
it is very clear. Yeah.
Sir, I just wanted to ask about the psychometric test after the interview, or
Yes. In my interview video, now I have also mentioned that the psychometric test is actually there are a lot of versions of the psychometric test, so we don't have exact idea what they are going to test, but it generally try to test your personality. So suppose actually 99.9 cases now they like everyone clear that test, but if someone's mindset is like very destructive, or if someone is facing some kind of mental illness, so in that case that might be a difficult. But otherwise, if you are like very normal person, then don't worry about it. And just like in the first day itself, so suppose it will be a surprise thing for those who have interviews on day one. Huh? So otherwise, like you are preparing for next year. So this year we will get to know about the psychometric test. So that's why for your case, don't worry about that, because from this year's experience we will get to know what kind of psychometric test they are using.
Right.
Because I'm from like psychology background, because in UPSC my optional subject was psychology. So I am very much misacquainted with the psychometric analysis and psychometric tests. So we will try our best to give you the good insights.
sir, sir, in the last year in 2019, you said that a person got 1 mark in the interview and got selected.
Yes.
So how come that can be the case?
No, actually, you know that now, for example, we have that data. So, for example, there is a reservation kind of thing is there. So,
Yeah,
we can
right,
get
sir.
a kind
Of
of
course.
reservation is there.
Yes, sir.
And
yes.
and some students from general category also have secured, for example, high marks in phase 2 examination. And suppose if they have got 4, 5, 6, 7 marks, no? So there are chances that they can get a chance in a final selection. So I have given this analysis, complete analysis of 2019 result on my YouTube channel. So you can go through.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
So what they have done? So yes, last time I know one person. He had secured the highest mark in phase 2. He has secured the highest mark in phase 2, but he is not in the list, final list. So sometimes, so what they did last time? If someone is working SEBI, for example, if someone is working SEBI since last 4-5 years, so he will get promotion as a grade B in 1 or 2 years. So they are thinking that this person has already one good job, and he just tries to change his organization. So instead of giving him job, why not to give a job to a person
Unemployed person.
So
right.
because last year that the condition of economy was very like worse condition. This year
Yes,
also this
Yes,
is
sir.
difficult
Continuing.
condition.
Yes,
So
sir.
last year some of the students I have interacted with them, they are already at class 1 officer in government, like state governments. So RBI outrightly rejected this candidate.
So that's a
it's
wise
up to-
policy.
Yeah, it's up to you. For example, last year one candidate was working in SBI as a scale 3. So if someone is working in SBI as a scale 3 officer, then his salary will be like near about 2, similar to RBI. So that candidate will become chief manager next year. So instead of that, they have given chance to freshers.
Right.
But every year, this is not a norm. This is not a norm. So I have an example of 10 SEBI candidates who have selected in RBI. So that is not the case. But every time the members are different, they will adopt new policies.
Right.
So we cannot like prejudice ourselves based on the previous result.
So I have a repeated question. Perhaps this has been asked many times.
Yes.
So the videos have been uploaded under ESI section.
Yeah.
And what's the subsection like?
No, you will get email about that. No? You will get email about that because I have given that video.
Sir, I can answer this.
Yes.
Mayank, it is under ESI, current ESI.
Okay. Current ESI, right? Fine.
I have given the path in the chat section as well, so you can check from there.
Okay. Actually, I was late, so that's not there for me.
Oh, okay. I'll
Ma'am.
post it again.
Ma'am, but the video is not opening.
Okay.
Can you please try again, because I have played and the video is working, and I guess Priyam has also confirmed that
Just refresh it. I think just refresh it, or yes.
Sir, another question.
Yeah.
We have to read the whole NCERT book, the class 11 economic development.
No, so in video also I have mentioned that, and here also I will mention that if you have time, then go through it. So the size of the book is around 200 to 250, but it will give you a very basic understanding of our economy, and that book is very recommended for UPSC also, and RP aspirants are also reading. But if you don't have time, then just go through those MCQs, 100 MCQs, because I have prepared those MCQs just based on that book. Yeah, that book.
Okay.
That book is 11th standard NCERT book. The name of the book is Indian Economic Development, and I have also given the cover page in my video, ESI video. And you will get the soft copy of that. Just search in any Telegram channel. Otherwise, in Google also you will get, because all NCERT books are freely available on their website. So that book is sufficient, and for management also, business studies book is there for management. That is also very basic book. Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm Sirisha here.
Yes, Sirisha.
Sorry to disturb you.
Sirisha, your voice is not audible, no? Just
now, am I audible, sir?
yes. Now audible.
So today is my first class, sir. I'm thinking to apply to study in BAE, and my background is like same HPM and finance. So I think I can read all those topics, but only problem is like general awareness and current affairs. I'm
General
very bad at
Yeah. I know that, na? Yes. I know that those students who are not from the humanities background, so initially they feel this general awareness. So if you see what is general awareness, there is a very less part of understanding is there. A very less part. You just have to read. Once you read anything related to general awareness, you will get to know what is it. So don't worry about it. For general awareness, we are covering it in a very comprehensive way. Like we have concept related videos, we are uploading recent fresh videos. You will get a BPedia, you will get an MCQ. So don't worry about that, but for that you have to give some sufficient time, and you have to work hard on this area. Like you can read one newspaper from your side if you have time. Otherwise our content or our material is more than sufficient.
As a beginner, any suggestions, sir, that
You are actually there is an echo there, so that's why not your words are not clear.
as a beginner, can you give me any kind of suggestions, sir? Because I'm very bad at current affairs and general awareness.
So just can you explain me? You are very bad in what?
Hello?
do you say?
Sir, sorry to interrupt, but I have also same problem like Srisha. I also
Yeah, I know
same
that.
problem.
This is like same happened with me, because I'm also from the engineering background. I have done my electronics and telecommunication. Before that, I have studied physics, chemistry, mathematics. So for example, what you have to do now, you have to read newspaper on regular basis, and it will take some time to become comfortable in this area. So what is just Sirisha, I'm asking you. So you are saying that you are very bad in current affairs. So can you explain me what is the meaning of bad?
Bad is like I understand the concept, but after a few days I don't remember. There are many names or years and committees.
So it means that there is a problem in remembering. So just tell me that in your 10th standard or your so you are Sirisha, you are from chemistry background, na?
No, sir. Finance background.
So you are from
masters
finance
in
background.
yes.
So then you might have studied all these things like Indian economy and then the finance, capital market.
All those things. That's why, no, sir, I can understand the concept very easily, but
For
remembering
this,
is the problem.
yeah, in remembering part, in remembering also, then it's with everyone. So it's with everyone. That's why in my ESI lecture, there was one slide related to the planning commission. Hmm? So sometimes in examination they ask what is the time period of second 5-year plan. Can anyone tell me what is the time period for the second 5-year plan? So once you read this and once you remember these and you have to apply some kind of memory techniques. So it is not problem with the understanding, it is problem with the remembering. So you have to remember. Also, I have to also remember. So for example, just consider there are a lot of schemes are there. Hmm? Lot of sports events are happening. So I have to remember all these things. For example, then government use various awards, just like, for example, Bharat Ratna awards are there. Then Padma Shri awards are there. So it's like multiple times of reading. You have to read it. There is no like magic wand is there. So if you apply that wand, then you will get to know. You will try to remember it. So multiple reading, revision, then some kind of notes making is required. So there is no like shortcut to it. Hmm? So I am just asking this question to you. Can anyone tell me the time period for the second 5-year plan?
So either 5 year or 10 year.
5-year plan, second 5-year plan. So before that, just answer, when was our first 5-year plan started?
So 1951.
Yes, correct.
Yeah,
1951.
51.
So first 5-year plan. So this is the first concept you have to remember. Like our 5-year plan process started in the 1951. And 5-year plan means every plan is for 5 years. So first 5-year plan is 51 to 56. Second, 56 to 61. Third, 61 to 66. So now just 10 minutes before, you have no idea about the 5-year plans. Now I have told to you 5-year plan started in the 1951. So every 5 years there will be one plan. But what happened in between, there were some annual plans. So this is just a reading. So the main problem with you is that you don't know how to remember it. And there is no shortcut formula. You have to listen it again and again. Then you have to revise it. You have to make your own notes, short notes, micro notes. And after that, you will travel like comfortable with it. So, and actually we have done all these things in our schools. Like when we were in 10th standard, there was no factual examination. We have to remember all these things. We have to write in a paper. In 12th standard also, in graduation also. So, but now there is a little bit gap. That's why you are worrying about this. Otherwise, this is just a reading it, try to make some kind of interconnections and then remember it. So revisions are required and no one will help you in remembering in these things because there are a lot of things, there are a lot of government schemes are there and you have to, that's why I'm telling you in my every lecture, for my every lecture, you have to make your micro. Because now suppose if you have watched my lecture, you can remember all the things for 1 day, 2 day, 3 days. But our exam is after 300 days. So after 10 months, it's very difficult for you remember what you have read 10 months before. So that's why writing is very important. And now I'm seeing a lot of students are just watching videos. They are not keeping notebook with them. They are not making notes. So unless and otherwise you write by your own hand, you mark it with different colors, it's difficult to remember. And that is not problem with you, that is problem with everyone, including me also. So including me also, sometimes I have to remember all this. Just now someone has asked me question how to remember and I have given the example of planning commission. And I think Rutuja has given the answer that in the first planning commission started in 1951. So that thing I have mentioned in my YouTube video. So it's up to you, like how many times you are revising it, how you are making notes. So I think I will conduct one special lecture on that regarding how to make notes and how to use some kind of mnemonics kind of thing, mnemonics. So anyone here from the history background, or anyone has some kind of background or interest in history?
Yes, sir, I do.
Yeah. So can you tell me the sequence of the Mughals? Like, Akbar,
No, sir.
Babur. So can you tell me the sequence, like who came first and their chronological order?
No, sir. No, sir.
No? Okay.
No.
Any other one, Rutuja?
So Babur was the first who came to India.
Yeah. So this is all know that this is Babur is the first. So second?
Then it was Humayun.
Humayun.
Yes. Then
Akbar. Then Jahangir.
yeah.
Then Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb.
So I have given this analogy. Just tell me that how you have remembered this thing.
Sir, I learned it in 5th or 6th class, and my teacher asked me to learn it, so I remember it now.
So just see, after 20 years you are trying to remember. So while I was preparing for UPSC, I have made one mnemonics. So just I tried here, right here. Yeah. So I form this. Yeah. So I form one mnemonics called as a Bhajasa. Bhajasa means B is for Babur, B, H is for Humayun, then Akbar, J for Jahangir, S for Shah Jahan, and A for Aurangzeb. So this is just I am giving example like how to remember one things. Otherwise, so this mnemonic is I have prepared 10 years ago when I was preparing for UPSC. So Bhajasa means Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, and Aurangzeb. So similar kind of mnemonics you have to prepare, and it's up to you, huh? And it's up to you how to make mnemonics. So you can make someone will make story, some might use some different colors in their notes. So I have just given one example. So I have prepared this mnemonic 10 years ago, and Ami has given just one demo that she has learned this in her second or third standard. So similar way, you have to also make such kind of mnemonics. So I have just given one demo to you. So how to remember? So just watch my video of ESI in which I have mentioned all the 5-year plans. So can anyone tell me how many 5-year plans were there? How many 5-year plans were there? So this is an expected question. This question might come in phase 1 or any banking examination. How many 5-year plans was there previously? Because now we know that now government has scrapped the planning commission, and now there is an API. So before
12.
Yes.
12.
Yes, correct. There were 12 5-year plans. So last 5-year plan ended in 2017. 2017. 2012 to 2017 was the time period for the 12 5-year plan. So just go through my video and try to remember. So it is not that once you read just once and you will remember all these things. You have to make extra efforts. So within next 2-3 weeks, I will just prepare one lecture in which I will give some example, just like I have given one example of Bhajasa. So in which I have told you how to remember it. So this is, I am just typing it here, Bhajasa.
Sir, there is only one lecture, right?
Yes. Yeah.
There is only one lecture, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So actually this lecture, just I am once again telling that this lecture is for doubt clearing session, but a lot of students have not watched those videos. That's why I am catering other queries. From next lecture, just remember that you should not ask the questions other than our lecture related to it. Otherwise,
Sir,
na,
actually,
otherwise, if someone watch this lecture after some time, he won't find interest because we are discussing lot of other things other than our academics. So, yeah,
I'm asking about the pre-recorded lecture which you mentioned earlier
yeah,
under
pre-recorded lecture.
ESI
Just
section.
ma'am has mentioned, na. So ma'am has mentioned
So
that
it's
I
just
have
only one.
uploaded 2 pre-recorded videos as per the schedule. If you see our schedule, na, in our schedule, my general awareness lecture will happen on every Thursday. So sometimes there it might get uploaded at the evening. So general awareness lecture will be available in Thursday. Then ESI and FM lecture like on alternate week. Just like for example, this week I have uploaded ESI. In second week I will upload FM. Then again ESI, again FM. So this second lecture will be related to ESI and FM. That will be available on Friday. And in the Saturday evening, like 9:30 p.m., we will discuss only doubts related to these 2 lectures. So I know that this is first time I am interacting lot of candidates with first time. So but from second lecture onwards, we will confine our discussion only related to our lectures. Otherwise, some students might not find this doubt clearing session useful. So that's why I am very much in favor of recorded. But some students need a live interaction one-to-one. So that's why this is kind of hybrid model in which I will upload pre-recorded videos and in the next lecture we will discuss this.
So before
Yeah,
this
yes.
class, 2 videos have been uploaded, right?
Yes. So if you see the schedule, then lecture.
But I'm finding only one under ESI section.
So that is one lecture. Now, so what I have told you, I'm again telling you. So one lecture is GA lecture. One lecture is GA, which I have uploaded on Thursday, and second lecture, which is the first lecture of ESI. Have you understood? I think there is confusion that I am telling you 2 lectures. One is GA and one is ESI.
Yeah. Yes. No, got it.
Which class business study book we have to read? 11 or 12?
11th standard. Huh? It's 11th standard Indian economic development.
No, sir, business study.
Yeah, business studies. I think business studies part 1.
So class 11.
Yeah, class 11. Business
Okay,
studies
sir.
part 1. You just see the name of the book. I think it's for 11th only. Business studies part 1. There are 2 books. Business studies part 1 and part 2. You have to refer part 1.
Okay.
It will give you the basic idea of the management. Management is very easy. Once you read it, you will understand what is the concept. Don't take the tension of the management. FM is the easiest paper, FM. But as of you, some are not from the management economics background. That's why they feel that this is difficult. But it is very easy. So you will feel the difference after 2 to 3 months. But just continue your study.
Sir, apart from business study, which book we should refer for management?
No, for management, there is no need to read any book. But suppose if you have finished everything from our website or everything our course, then there are a lot of books. Like suppose if you see RBI notification, then they have suggested SP Robbins book, Organizational Behavior by SP Robbins. But we will suggest you that don't go to it as of now. First, try to cover everything which is available on our course, and then in the second, after that you can go to, and at that time you can contact us. We will tell you which book you can refer.
Okay, sir.
For management.
Sir, I had doubt in answer writing.
Yes.
Like in RBI also, can we follow the UPSC pattern of the introduction, body, and conclusion?
Yes. So that is in descriptive. Like if you see any examination, like university examination, our school examination, UPSC or RBI, that is a standard format. First, initially you have to give the introduction, then there is a body, then conclusion.
So can we use flowcharts and diagrams also?
No, because ours is like computerized typing, online paper. It's online. You have to type. So there we cannot draw diagrams and flowcharts.
Yes.
But when I gave my examination in 2010, at that time I used flowcharts, tables, diagrams in RBI paper. But now it's online, computerized paper. You have to type. So there is no scope for writing or drawing the flowcharts and diagrams.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So now I have some other assignments. So the time period for lecture is generally 1 hour. So from next time onward, just remember this our doubt clearing session will be from 9:30 p.m. to I think 11 p.m. we will do. I think 90 minutes are more than sufficient. But just watch those videos, and then in my next lecture also now you can ask queries related to these 2 lectures. So it means that from next lecture, in my next lecture, which will happen in next Saturday, you can ask me doubts related to 4 lectures. That is first GA lecture, first ESI, second GA, and first FM. Just watch those 4 videos, write down your doubts, and then you can ask me in my live lecture. So now here we are stopping lecture, and we will meet in next Saturday. Yeah. Thank you all.